Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Vitamin T. They're looking for a proofreader remote. It pays up to $37 per hour. Overview: proofreader in-house studio. Pay up to $37 hourly as W-2. Full benefits offered. Location: client based in Atlanta, must work EST hours. Length of contract: 6+ months. Likely extension into 2023. This is a roughly 30 minutes, 35-hour per week need for an established financial organization. The consistent need is for someone to be available Monday through Thursday, roughly during business hours. It's a chance to join an established in-house studio that has been expanding their business in 2022. This is a team that's been in place for 12+ years and supports a range of needs across the broader organization. Independent self-starters are responsible for reviewing all documents, ads, graphics, web content, RFPs, proposals, manuscripts, mechanicals, proofs, charts, numbers, facts, units of measurement, leave behind books, PDFs, and any other miscellaneous correspondence to eliminate errors in spelling, grammar, syntax, and usage. Proofreaders manage consistent language across the many touch points that carry the message to the target audience. Proofreaders ensure all corrections and changes noted by other team members during a project lifecycle have been made and are accurate. Proofreaders must be dependable and able to work on multiple projects at once while working well in a team environment. They will also work within their allotted hours budgeted for a given project. Proofreaders will work with a range of print, digital, and web deliverables for a variety of clients and internal team members. Essential responsibilities: proofread existing materials for copy clarity and readability. Trademarks, registration information, spelling, capitalization, format, branding, etc. Proofread against regulatory requirements, checklists, qualifications, requirements. Must be able to satisfy the requirements of Section 19 of the Federal Deposit Insurance Act. 5+ years experience as an editor or proofreader of copy and advertising agencies or in-house design firms. Bachelor's degree in liberal arts. English major is desirable. Collaborative: someone who can work across teams. Familiarity with Microsoft Word is necessary. Excellent overall verbal, grammar, and writing skills are a must. Previous experience working within agencies or in-house design studios. Desired characteristics: previous work experience with financial institutions is not necessary but helpful. Committed to excellence in every aspect of their work. Desire to work in an entrepreneurial, flexible, and fast-paced environment. Microsoft Office, Adobe Creative Suite, FileMaker Pro knowledge is a plus. Foreign language skills, experience working with translations is helpful. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.